Welcome to my visual home tours all-brick home in Middleton Plantation. Discover this beautifully maintained 3-2-bath home in the sought-after Jack Britt School District. This home boasts exceptional curb appeal with a welcoming front porch and elegant foyer leading into living areas. The living room features a cozy fireplace and unique ceilings and flows into the formal dining room and additional family room. The kitchen is a chef's dream, complete with stone countertops, ample counter space, and a large island with a timber top connects with the breakfast room. The primary suite is a true retreat, with an ensuite bath with double vanities, a walk-in shower, and a soaking tub. Upstairs there is a large bonus, ideal for an office or guest space. Step outside to your private deck and paved patio with a fire pit and privacy fencing for a serene outdoor experience. An oversized, wired for electricity shed provides